Chapter 13 Major Dhyan Chand, the Hockey Wizard. Here is a story of Major Dhyan Chand, who was widely regarded as the hockey wizard. He amazed everyone with his incredible skills and dedication, inspiring many to love and play hockey. Major Dhyan Chand Singh was an Indian field hockey player, widely regarded as one of the greatest hockey players in history. He was born in Uttar Pradesh on 29 August 1905. His father, Subedar Sameshwar Dutt Singh, played hockey in the army. Dhyan Singh's family kept moving to different cities where his father was transferred on duty. His schooling suffered as a result and he stopped going to school after he completed class 6. The family finally settled in Jhansi, where Dhyan's father got a small piece of land for a house. Young Dhyan did not show any special interest in sports, though he loved wrestling. In fact, his hockey career had quite an ordinary beginning. Dhyan and other youngsters used to cut a branch of a date palm tree and remove the leaves. With a curve at its end, this branch would become a makeshift hockey stick. They would make a ball from old rags. In 1922, at the age of 17, Dhyan Singh joined the Indian Army. He was a sepoy of the 14th Punjab Regiment. While serving in the regiment, he came in contact with Subedar Major Bhole Tiwari. Major Tiwari was very fond of hockey and he was a good player himself. He recognized the talent in Dhyan Singh. He became Dhyan's guru and laid the foundation of his game. Tiwari and Dhyan Singh had no fixed time to play. Dhyan Singh also had to pay attention to the army duties and could not find enough time for practice during the day. So, he practiced alone on the field at night. While they rested, his army mates could hear him hitting the ball for hours at a time. The legend of Dhyan Chand and his unbelievable feats on the hockey field had begun. In 1926, Dhyan played his first match for India on the tour to New Zealand, beginning an international career that lasted 22 years. Dhyan Chand won gold medals at the Olympic Games in Amsterdam, 1928, Los Angeles, 1932, and as captain, in Berlin in 1936. From a reporter's point of view on Dhyan Chand's performance in Berlin Olympics, with a flick of the wrist, a quick glance of his eyes, a sharp turn and then another turn, and Dhyan Chand was through. Dhyan Chand could control the ball so well with his hockey stick that his opponents thought that there was some mischief at work. The Dutch broke his stick to check if there was a magnet inside. The Japanese thought it was glue. Dhyan Chand's magical stick work drew crowds to the hockey field. His skilled stick work and amazing ball control left fellow players and spectators awestruck. He earned the nickname Hockey Wizard. When he played at the Berlin Olympics, a German newspaper carried a banner headline, "The Olympic complex now has a magic show too." Dhyan Chand believed in the best. As great sportsman, he never lost his temper in the field, but he certainly had the will to win. Dhyan Chand played with excellent team spirit. He respected his teammates. Even though he was talented, he never boasted or showed off. He played selflessly, and if he found that one of his teammates was in a better position to score, he would immediately flick the ball to the well-placed player. Hockey is a game of 11 players, not of one individual, he always said. At the age of 51, Dhyan Chand retired from the army as a major. The Government of India honored him that year by awarding him with the Padma Bhushan Award, India's third highest civilian honor. Dhyan Chand breathed his last on 3rd December 1979 in Delhi. A year after his death, the Indian Postal Service issued a commemorative stamp in his honor. In addition, the Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi is named in his honor. 29th August, his birthday, is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India. The President gives sports awards, such as the Khel Ratna Award, now named as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award and Dronacharya Award on this day at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. In 2002, a Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games was set up to honor those sportspersons who have not only contributed to sports by their performance but continue to do so for the promotion of sports even after their retirement from an active sporting career. From 2021, the Khel Ratna Award, formerly known as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, has also been renamed as the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna, the country's highest sporting honor.